Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Podcast's Dev Technosis. I'm your host Yash, and today we're diving into something that merges convenience, technology, and personal wellness. Daily heart rate monitoring using smartwatch-connected health apps. We all know heart health is critical, but most people only check their heart rate when they're already at a hospital or clinic. What if we told you that with just a smartwatch and a good health app, you could monitor your heart daily, detect early warning signs, and make smarter health choices all from your wrist? To break it down, we've got Rahul in the studio today. He's a digital health consultant and app development strategist here at Dev Technosis. He's worked on multiple health tech apps that integrate with smartwatches and wearable devices. Welcome, Rahul.
Hey Yash, great to be here. And honestly, this is a topic that gets me excited, not just because of the tech, but because of how powerful it is in improving everyday health.
Let's start with the basics. For those who aren't fully into smartwatches yet, how does heart rate monitoring actually work with these devices?
Sure. So most smartwatches today use something called photoplethysmography, or PPG for short. It's a small optical sensor on the back of the watch that shines green light onto your skin. Your blood absorbs light, so with each pulse, there's a change in light reflection. The watch reads those changes and converts them into beats per minute.
Now, when that data is synced with a health app, you get real-time visuals, history, trends, alerts, and even insights about your heart rate during sleep, exercise, or stress.
That's some serious tech sitting on your wrist. So, how do these apps help users beyond just showing BPM?
Great question. A good smartwatch-connected health app, like the ones we build at Dev Technosis, doesn't just display numbers. It analyzes patterns. Let's say your average resting heart rate is usually 65 BPM, but suddenly it spikes to 80-85 consistently over a few days. That could indicate stress, poor sleep, dehydration, or even an early sign of infection.
The app will flag this, offer context, and in some cases, suggest whether to rest, hydrate, or consult a doctor.
That's smart. So the app becomes more like a health advisor than just a tracker.
Exactly. Especially when the app has AI-based insights. It can correlate your heart rate with other inputs, like your sleep quality, workout intensity, or even mood logs. Over time, it builds a personalized baseline. That's where daily monitoring really helps. Because the more consistent data it collects, the smarter the feedback gets.
And who benefits the most from this? Is it just fitness lovers, or should regular folks use it too?
It's for everyone. Fitness enthusiasts definitely use it to monitor performance and recovery, but daily users, office workers, older adults, even teenagers can benefit. For example, people with hypertension or anxiety often experience fluctuating heart rates. Daily tracking helps them manage it better, sometimes even without medication adjustments.
That's really powerful. What are some of the key features you recommend looking for in a heart rate monitoring app?
There are a few. First is real-time monitoring. The app should sync immediately with your watch. Second is history and trends, daily, weekly, and monthly views that show how your heart rate is behaving over time. Third is alerts and thresholds. For example, if your heart rate goes below 50 or above 110 at rest, it should notify you.
Some apps also offer zone tracking, showing you when your heart is in fat burning, cardio, or peak zones during workouts.
Can you give an example of how daily heart rate tracking helps someone?
Absolutely. One of our users, a 38-year-old IT professional, used a smartwatch-integrated app we developed. Over a few weeks, he noticed unusually high resting heart rates in the morning. He felt fine, but the app kept flagging it. He visited his doctor, and they discovered early-stage thyroid imbalance. Early detection helped him avoid further complications.
Wow, that's incredible. So this is more than just fitness. It's preventative health.
Exactly. And when combined with data from other sensors, like blood oxygen, stress levels, or ECG on higher-end watches, these apps can become mini health dashboards. Imagine being able to look at your phone and say, okay, I didn't sleep well, my HRV is low, and I've had 3 days of elevated heart rate. I need to slow down today. That's the kind of awareness tech enables.
Let's talk usability. What makes a smartwatch health app really stand out?
User experience is everything. The dashboard should be clean. Quick glance summaries, easy to read graphs, color-coded zones. Notifications should be customizable, not overwhelming. And syncing should be seamless. Whether it's Apple Watch, Fitbit, Samsung Galaxy Watch, or Wear OS. The app should support cross-platform compatibility.
And what about privacy? Heart rate is sensitive health data, after all.
Absolutely. All health apps must follow HIPAA or GDPR standards depending on region. That means encrypted data storage, secure authentication, and clear permissions on who can access the data. At Dev Technosys, we always prioritize security and give users full control over what they want to share, whether with doctors, fitness coaches, or family.
Can these apps be connected to healthcare providers directly?
Yes, many advanced apps integrate with electronic health records, EHR systems. So if your doctor's clinic supports digital records, your heart data can be shared securely before your consultation. This helps doctors get real-time insights instead of relying only on in-clinic vitals.
Let's say someone wants to develop their own Smartwatch-Connected health app, maybe a startup or clinic. How does Dev Technosys approach this?
We start with understanding the use case. Is it for fitness, clinical monitoring, wellness programs, or insurance platforms? Then we move into UI/UX planning, device integration, real-time syncing, data analytics, and privacy compliance. We can also add AI modules that personalize suggestions based on user history. We've built apps for heart rate tracking, sleep health, chronic condition management, and even remote monitoring for senior citizens.
That's next level. All right, before we wrap, give us your top 3 reasons why someone should monitor their heart rate daily.
1. It gives you real-time feedback on your physical and mental state. 2. It helps catch irregularities early before symptoms become serious. And 3. It empowers you to make smarter daily decisions, whether that's how much coffee to drink, when to rest, or when to see a doctor.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot, Rahul. That was packed with insight. So, to all our listeners, if you have a smartwatch, start using it as your health companion, not just a step counter. And if you're looking to build a next-gen health app, visit devtechnosys.com to explore what's possible. Thanks again, Rahul. Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Yash. Always great to be here. Here's to smarter tech and healthier lives.